Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Railfan On Location, where we take you wherever we happen to be filming trains today. And today we're back once again at Highway 44 in Mansfield, Connecticut, waiting for New England Central's train 608 to show up. Now, we just heard the train leave from a considerable ways south of here by about, I believe, 15 miles, give or take, at milepost 23. The call came over the radio, and then they got the following track warrant.
Track warrant 397, sending 3038 north, cross to proceed from milepost 23 to milepost 47 on the Palmer main track. Track warrant has cleared officers 1, 2, and 16, okay, 1602.
Now what this means is a little bit complicated, so to help it make a little more sense, I'm going to break this down using a visual. So right now the train is sitting at milepost 23 here. The track warrant they just got is to proceed from there up through Willimantic, milepost 32, past us, who are I believe sitting at around milepost 38, all the way up to mile 47. Where they're trying to get is here, mile 63, Palmer, Massachusetts. Then, a little while later, the call came back over the radio, and this time it was the dispatcher saying, "We have clear track for you all the way to mile 63, Palmer."
Here, 3038, all clear inside of all minutes, moving license handles, good avoiding issues, good about to proceed milepost 32 to 63, Palmer main, if that's all correct, you're ready to copy, over.
And you know, specifically they say, we're all inside the yard limits at Willimantic, mile 32, which means that now the train's at mile 32, which means it'll only be a few minutes until the train is here at mile 38. Alright, well, nice and short train. Definitely moving pretty fast today. 2 matching Genesee and Wyoming engines, which is a little bit rare on this line. Yeah, nice short little train. The drone shot wasn't quite perfect. I didn't have as much time as I thought I was going to have to get the drone in position, so I just made sure it was in a safe place, well away from trees and clear of the tracks. But, you know, still nice to have that extra perspective. Well, that's all for this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please consider leaving me a like to let me know that you enjoyed it, and maybe even subscribe to help the channel grow, and make sure you don't miss out on the next one of these videos. As always, thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.